Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Captain. In this video, I am going to tell you how you can lock the control panel in your iPhone. By default, control panel is accessible even your iPhone is locked, and anyone can use all the things which are available in the control panel. So in this video, I am going to tell you how to lock it. The first thing you have to do is open settings in your iPhone, then scroll down and open Face ID and passcode. Here put your password. Now scroll down again and here you can see allow access. Here is the option control center. Turn off the toggle of control center. Now your work is done. Now go back and lock the screen. And now you can see when I am scrolling down the screen panel, or we can say control panel, it is locked and it is not accessible when my iPhone is locked. So by this way, you can easily lock the control panel on your iPhone with a very easy method. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Captain, and I will see you in the next one.